Hey, so I'm at Lowe's this evening and I need to pick up a few things for my bathroom remodel. So follow along with me and we'll see what we find. Our project is going to take 5 doorknobs and I didn't want to spend an arm and a leg. I ended up picking up these doorknobs from Amazon for $10 each. We also needed to pick out flooring for the bedroom, bathroom, and closet. There are so many options, it is overwhelming. But I ended up deciding on laminate, and this dove gray laminate flooring was just beautiful to me. The next thing was to pick out tile and other accessories to match the flooring. So this to me is too much grain. Tile turned out to be just as overwhelming as flooring. There are just so many options. But I wanted something that incorporated grays and the browns from the flooring. Check this out. This would be a great accent. I like that the best. I also had to pick out tile for the shower walls. I wanted a gray to go with the accent tile. I found these dove gray tiles that worked out perfect. Ta-da! I think I'm gonna go with all this. Dove gray, the centerpiece. It's gonna be nice. So here's a look at the final color scheme with the black hardware. I think it turned out pretty well. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.